Hi, third grade. In today's lesson, we are going to identify and represent shaded and non-shaded parts of one whole as fractions. Let's look at this first picture. I can see that this is a whole beaker and that there's a blue liquid in the beaker and it looks like it's about halfway full. Therefore, I can see that the beaker is 1/2 full. But what about the part of the beaker that isn't full? Could that be a fraction too? Even though parts might not be full or even shaded, they are still parts of a whole. So when I look at this beaker, I can see that 1/2 of the beaker is shaded and 1/2 of the beaker is not shaded. Both of these parts make up one whole. They make up a whole beaker, the shaded and the non-shaded parts. Let's look at this picture. This whole circle is broken up into 1, 2, 3 different parts. So therefore it's broken up into thirds. There are 3 thirds that make up a whole. I know that this is 1/3, 1/3, and 1/3. So there's 3 thirds that make up a whole. In this picture, I can see that 2/3 of the amount are shaded. So I would write 2/3 shaded. And also 1/3 not shaded. Both the shaded and the not shaded piece of the circle make up the whole circle. Let's move on to the problem set. I'm going to complete the first one with you. The directions say, whisper the fraction of the shape that is shaded. Then match the shape to the amount that is not shaded. For number 1, instead of whisper, I'm going to practice my note taking and take the note of what is shaded. So when I look at number 1, I see that it's a triangle and it's broken up into 2 pieces, a non-shaded and a shaded. 2 pieces means it's broken up into halves. I can clearly see that 1/2 of the shape is shaded. And remember, any notes that I'm taking on here, you should also be taking in your book. Then I'm going to match it up to the unit form, and that was from yesterday's lesson, the unit form of the amount that is not shaded. So since 1/2 is shaded, how much is not shaded? 1/2 again. So I can see 1/2, oops, pen. I can see 1/2 right there. So I'm going to match it up. I want you to pause the video right here and I want you to complete numbers 2, 4, and 6 independently. Once you get those done, I want you to hit the play button to check your answers. Are you ready? Go ahead and pause. Go ahead and check your answers with mine. It's important for you to remember that both the shaded and the non-shaded pieces make up the whole shape. Now that we have warmed up with the first page, turn to the second page of the problem set and complete it independently. I will be checking your work and working one-on-one with you if needed. Pause the video to complete the second page, and when you're ready, hit play to check your work with mine. Are you ready? Go ahead and pause. Check your answers with mine. Hopefully, I was able to pull you and work one-on-one if I saw any confusion. But if you're checking your answers with mine and you still see that you have a different answer than I'm showing you, pause the video right here and raise your hand so I can come over and we can discuss. Great job today, guys. Today you identified and represented shaded and non-shaded parts of one whole as fractions. Now that the video is over, you can complete the next step on the board. Good luck!